come out, come out. What's going on, Road Runner? I don't believe Road Runner want to talk. What's going on, Shawty Dawg? I just woke up. Yeah, he out here. Yeah, I just not seen your text message. Look like I got about 3 text messages. I heard that I'm doing him a favor. Hey, Bird Dog, you hear Shawty Dawg? They said Mother Nature must be doing you a favor. Yeah, damn, bro. They said you got that bobcat killer out there. So you can't do nothing with that striker. I heard you out there. I hear somebody out there in California. I heard that. They said that Moberg gonna be out there looking for you. That's what Bird Dog said. Yeah, I'm picking up skiff from all out there California right now.
You be careful hearing them folks out there in California. It's all granola out there in California. What aren't fruits or flakes, and if they're not fruits or flakes, they're nuts in California. It's all granola.
Why you want to talk bad about them folks out there in California?
California. The lucky ones, they escape and they get to other places. But the ones that want to be there, that thrive in that nonsense, you know, that ain't right. There's just something wrong with those people.
I heard you out there. Where you coming out of?
I'm coming out of Las Vegas, Nevada, so trust me, we got a lot of these people coming here visiting, and like I said, the lucky ones move away, and they're all right, but the way they vote is just crazy.
I heard you out there. I will tell you what, y'all sound a whole bunch of good down here in Bam Bam.
One of them shitty striker radios. That's the reason why you ain't getting me 148 on waiver right on back. Good hearing you out there.
You still out there, Bird Dog? Yeah, I jumped over there and talking to somebody over there in around Nevada. Hey, Shawty Dawg, Shawty Dawg. What's going on out there in your neck of the woods, Shawty Dawg? I heard that, I did. Okay, what you need me to ask you? Yeah, 10 boy, I heard you, I did. Let's see if let me go look and see if we can find a clear channel to talk on. Go. I'm getting a whole lot of skip coming up on my end. Hey, Bird Dog, Shawty Dawg, and Road Runner, go down to channel 1. Y'all make it? Yeah, 10 boy, that's a whole lot better down here. How about Bird Dog, you make it? You and our Road Runner? I don't guess they made it. I heard you, I did.
If Bird Dog don't make it down by the time I kick it down, just ask him for me and I'll get the answer from you a little later on, see if he want to be able to work up there.
Okay. I just sent him a text message to come down here on this channel. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. That's the way it do on that 8 p.m. whenever I bump it down on that Tahoe. Cause that somebody told me that alternator trying to go out on it. I've been noticing it been doing like that for a long time though. I think it's gonna be my battery because you know I'm in this truck here with newer model truck, so but if the battery's been in it since I bought it brand new, so I think it may not be my alternator. I'm hoping it's just a battery, you know. It's like I say, I bought this truck new in 18 and it's still the same battery in it. And this train build, I believe, is hitting it hard, I believe. Yeah, 10 bro, probably so. Sure, there's been a lot of traffic out there, but it sounds better down on that channel 1. Yeah, it was a lot better down here than it is up there on 19. It was man, I just wall to wall covered up and that doggone traffic got that around Las Vegas, Nevada, and California a while ago. Yeah, Roger. I ought to be able to make it back up there too, Bird Dog, if you ever come down on this channel. Hey, come on. Yeah, 10 bro. What's going on over there, Road Runner? Hey, can you hear Road Runner over there, Shawty Dawg? I can't even hear him. I couldn't get nothing on him. Yeah, 10 bro. Got Shawty Dawg down here. No, he said he couldn't hear you. He over there in Citronelle. You saying something to me, Road Runner? Sound like he talking to somebody else, Shawty Dawg. I couldn't even hear him too well. I was wondering, did you see if that's the same Road Runner to be driving the big truck? No, I think that's a different one. His one here don't drive no big truck. Yeah, I done talked to him before, but this one here, he live up there out from Jackson. You done made it home or on your way home? I'm sitting in the yard now. Oh, okay. I'm out here on highway, not a trick out here. By this little gas station out here they call Midway Quick Stop. Yeah, 10 boy, I copy you. What about old Gunsmoke? You talk with him yet? No, I ain't heard nothing about it. Yeah, he was working, he worked a couple of days this weekend along with me. He worked Wednesday and Thursday. Well, you don't come out of that training now, ain't you? Yeah, I finished up Thursday. I go back to work Friday night. I go back on shift work. Yeah, I was glad of that, man. That was about 10 or 11 weeks of that training.
So it was a long time coming, huh?
And then I got the short version of it, because they gave me 90 days to do it, and them other guys, they getting 6 months.
Man, oh man.
I'm just glad I'm finished with mine. Yeah, I had done 20 years over there, so they said they wasn't going to give me no 6 months. They going to only give me 3 months since I had that much past work history over there in the department where I went. And all that was 90 calendar days, you know, and you count up the days during the week. It ain't but 4 days out of the week. Then I done about 10 weeks of it, so that's about 40 days. That sounds like I heard somebody else to come down here in California now.
I heard somebody that wasn't real strong on my end.
I don't know what happened to old Bird, dog.
He didn't want me to put that D-World strike on him, that brother.
Yeah, that's probably what it was.
What about the old football game? You gonna watch any of it?
No, I don't fool with it. Every time to get on up out of there, you got your belly full of them chicken wings, and they had the damn girls on the field, and time you to skedaddle.
You know what to say.
Yeah, you done better than I'd have done. I'd have told him he could have his chicken wings in this ball game. Yeah, Tim, boy, I heard you out there. Well, I'm like this. I know everybody likes something different from what I do, and I ain't knocking them for wanting to watch a football game, but to each his own, you know what I mean?
Yeah, what I was telling him, he was asking me who I was wanting to win and all that. I said, man, I really ain't got I ain't no sports fan now. I don't watch college or pro. I barely even cut the regular TV on.
I heard you out there. Somebody asked me that at work one day. I told them, man, I don't care nothing about no football. They want to know what was wrong with me.
Well, like you said, you know, if a man like it, he like it. But if he don't, he don't. You know what I mean?
I tell her, I ask him why it got to be something wrong with me because I don't care nothing about it.